You are going to love the 2016 Accent. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light, armrests, driver's seat, trip odometer. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.